Stellar, currently trading at 33 cents with a ticker of XLM, is at $8.2 billion market cap. Now, guys, if you guys are going to trade and hodl this, you got to know what it is. Simply put, Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. Very simple, straight to the point, guys. So where can you guys trade or hodl this? It's on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Bitstamp, Binance, also BitThumb, Gate.io, Bitfinex, Kraken, what else? Bybit. So you guys looking to trade and hodl this, it's 100% available, so you can get into cryptocurrency. But let's look at their price ratings, guys. Symmetry gave it a C+, and also Stable Outlook gave it a double B. If you're looking at want to get a part of the crypto trade or hodling, get part of their platform, read these reports, educate yourself before jumping all in, okay? Now let's look at some of the news. Once again, the biggest news that's out for cryptocurrency is that they're all pretty much going down. This could be just temporary, but guys, there's nothing. I haven't seen any direct news. But if you want to read any other news clip around the crypto space, I'll have a link below. Just check it out, guys. Look at their main website, stellar.org. Now their website is really nice. I really like how how it flows. So if you guys want to get part of this, get on their Global Payment app. They have it here. I think you guys can get it from the App Store or straight off their website. So please check it out, guys. Now, this is for developers. You guys want to see stuff for developers, please check that. I think it's a little bit advanced, but if you are like me, I'm a programmer. I program in multiple languages. So you guys want to check me out, please just, book a session or just, so we can talk about it. All right, guys, if you guys want to look at their Twitter page, you got about 700,000 followers. Check out this for their most recent news, recent articles, recent tweets. Also, they have a Reddit page. Please check that out. But that's the news, guys. That's the information. Let's get to that price prediction. Now, I made a price prediction talking about it will be 50 cents. Now, if you look at it currently, if you get to that buy over here, guys, it is way up. Way up. But it has been pulling down some point right here. So for me, I'm gonna talk about if you didn't get in earlier, that's fine. If you didn't get after, I can't tell you what to do. This is me, what I would do. So if I'm getting in currently this current price, looking at what the market is at right now, and look at this right here. These wicks push up right here, showing you that there's a lot of buying pressure pushing away from that price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 big push-ups in this area. So it looks like that this price might not hold. It might go up a lot higher. So for me, if I'm going to trade and hodl this, guys, I would do both. Because it's at a key zone right here that I don't see much pullback, push back down. So if it does that, I'm going to trade and hodl this position. I'm going to enter in at current market right now. So at that current market, I'm going to explain these arrows in a second. I'm going to be looking at going long this position, trading and hodling. I'll get into the hodl position a little bit later, but entering both at the same price. So as it enters right here, if it keeps on going up and up to the 30 or 40 cents, what I'm going to do is move my stop loss above my entry, lock it in that trade, so I make sure I always maintain that profit for the trade position, not the hodl. So if it keeps on going up, it's going to hit my buy stop above this high, and if it proceeds higher, what I'm going to do is exit at the 50 cent level. That's my price target, 50 cents. As the last video, I'm going to exit this buy stop, and if you're down here, I'm going to if you guys got into that entry over here, then I would let that run, move your stop. I would move my stop loss above my entry, lock in that trade, and just letting it run. And also, if it hit that buy stop, it's going to engage me here, locking in the price here. So if it does that, then I'm going to be able to let that trade run. Now, when it comes to the hodl position, enter the same thing, market, okay? So my market position is going to be there. Hodl position, same price. But when my hodl position I'm going to do a little bit differently is this. I'm only going to exit some of my position at the 50 cents level. What I'm going to do is that every single Friday for my theoretical job, paying me every single Friday $100 or $500, whatever amount, I'm going to enter every single Friday, every single Monday, just create a plan for entering. It's important. Create a plan for entering, create a plan for exiting, so you guys are not caught off guard from one of the markets. Engage or implement price alerts. You can have that on different apps. There's a bunch of different services that do price alerts all throughout the prices, so you're not caught off guard. Get an email or text message straight to your phone. And when I do that, I'm going to make sure that my my hodl position, instead of entering every couple days, that once it hits above this like 4-2 level or above these highs, or at these highs right there, I'm stop entering my hodl position and just letting it run from there. So I have a max prices I'm going to enter my hodl position, and after that I'm just going to let it run, and then when it hits 50, if it hits 50 cents, I'll exit some of my position, my hodl position, to get my money back, you know, come in so I can put into another cryptocurrency, stock, whatever. I can do it with the cash when I want to. When it does that, then I'll let that price run. So price prediction, guys, is still 50 cents. If you have any question or comments on how I came to that conclusion, how I'm going to be doing my trading position versus my hodl position, just let me know. Drop a comment below and we can have this conversation about XLM, about Stellar, okay? So it's my website, guys. I have my trading robot posted here. If you guys want to see my trading robot, just you'll see it on your feed if you subscribe. So subscribe to the channel to get my feed, to get my trading robot. If you just want to watch it, it's 100% automated. I do that to most of my trades. If you want to learn how to trade and program, when it comes to MetaTrader 4 and 5, just let me know. Take my trading course for Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and also financial education, kind of like, you know, money management, precious metals, stuff like that. And also I have a crypto portion for you know, people to talk in there and have a chat, stuff like that. So just let me know, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. We'll have that conversation about this XLM or any cryptocurrency. Just drop it below and we can have that. But thank you guys for making the end of the video, and I'll see you.